to be natively mobile means that everything about the app's design, interaction model, and feature capabilities leverage what is unique and powerful about mobile. You can't retrofit desktop apps to be mobile apps. You have to build it mobile first.
We work in an industry where the information often gets collected out in the field, but then decisions get made back in the office. And so you've got to have a mobile experience that allows you to collect the information in a holistic way and then easily collaborate on or offline in a simple and effective fashion with your system back in the office.
If something's natively mobile, it's easy to use right as you pick it up. You don't need training. You can just get going right away. And as the software evolves, as it becomes more powerful, you become more powerful with it.
What makes us really stand out is sort of the quality that's been built out over time from all of that user feedback. We're not just putting things out there that check boxes and sort of get the minimum amount done. There's been hundreds, if not thousands of hours of user research and customer feedback that we've acted on and built into these workflows so that they're super easy to use when you're out there using the products.
Being natively mobile is so foundational to the Autodesk Construction Cloud platform because customers rely on a mobile application to get their job done. They want their employees to be productive in the field on day one, and I think that we've produced a product that allows employees to do that.
We believe mobile devices offer the opportunity to move beyond paper, and when everyone has a mobile device in their pocket, that means everyone has access to the same information at the same time. They can simply pull out their smartphone, their tablet, and be able to reference information right when they need it and have it right at their fingertips.
We believe that prioritizing mobile design, making something a native mobile experience is really the key to the success of the project, as well as a key to building a great experience.